Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Marvel app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Marvel is a digital design and prototyping app made for designers, developers, and teams to create interactive app and website prototypes without needing to write code. It offers tools for wireframing, designing, and sharing user experiences in a collaborative environment. Users can upload designs, add transitions, and simulate real user flows to test ideas before development begins. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is appreciated for its clean interface and beginner-friendly approach to prototyping. It allows quick idea validation and user testing, making it ideal for early-stage product concepts. The real-time collaboration features are a plus for remote teams, and integration with tools like Sketch, Figma, and Slack adds extra flexibility. That said, it's not without its flaws. Some users mention limited design customization compared to more advanced tools. The app may feel restrictive for complex animations or micro-interactions. Also, the free version has feature limits, and exporting options can be basic unless you're on a paid plan. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Marvel is a great option for quick and simple prototyping, especially if you're working in teams or just starting out in design. It's easy to learn, works well for feedback and testing, and speeds up the early design process. Just be aware of its limitations for more advanced design needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.